Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have live swatches on some of the new MoonShine Mani nail polish releases for you. Very excited about today's live swatch video because Phoebe released her new collection and it's called the Queen of Crime, and these polishes were created based on some of her favorite books and they are from Agatha Christie. I never really read anything from her, but I really do enjoy the movies that I saw on television. And she also sent me polish from the Project Dupe It collection, polish from the Polished Gamers box, and the Queen of Crime collection also has an add-on polish. So I will be swatching all of these for you today on my nails. A big thank you to Phoebe for sending these polishes to me, and I have to tell you that I really enjoy every single one of them. I do hope that you will enjoy my live swatch video. If you do like it, then please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then please also hit the subscribe button before you leave. I will leave for you everything in the description box, of course. All of these polishes are releasing on May 8th, except for the Polished Gamers polish, which is a separate group where you can purchase it. Again, everything will be in the description box, please check it out. But if you do have any questions on any of these, please let me know in the comment section. Alright, now I will jump into the swatches and then I will come back with a quick outro. guys, what are your thoughts on these new nail polishes that are releasing on May 8th from MoonShine Mani? I absolutely love them and I would highly recommend you all of them. My favorite is They Came to Baghdad and Caribbean Mystery. Those are the purple polishes. As you know, I am a purple polish lover, and If Wishes Were Starfishes is a beautiful dupe for the China Glaze polish. I used to own the original one, unfortunately mine dried out, and just remember that is a textured polish which you can wear with or without top coat, it's up to your preference. And Castlevania for the polished gamers, May box is beautiful. It's one of those ugly pretty colors that I would reach for quite frequently, and I just love how it looks, especially outside in the direct sunlight. So let me know what polish is your favorite if you are planning on checking out this collection from MoonShine Mani, and let me know if you still have your China Glaze Wish on a Starfish. That in my case, most of their textured polishes all dried out on me, which is a real bummer, but I'm very happy to have a replacement now, even though, as you know, I am not a big pink polish wearer. Alright guys, if you do have any questions, just leave them for me in the comment section. All the links will be in the description box. And thank you so much, Phoebe, again for sending me these polishes. I really loved everything. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.